Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about how to post on Reddit. Let's get started. Do you know how you can optimize your post on Reddit for maximum visibility? First, find and choose the correct subreddit community. Choose one subreddit community where you can share your post. Make sure not to post your content to multiple subreddits to avoid your content being detected as spam content. Now look for relevant subreddits and review which subreddit you'd like to share your content. Go to the subreddits thread and browse the posts shared by the members. Check the rules if the content that you want to share is accepted in this community. Then check the number of comments generated for each post. If more users engage in this post, you can expect that your post will also attract users to comment. If you are selling products, you may find communities that offer trades. Just follow the rules of the community. They might include a title format for posts and what information you should include and not include in your post. If you upload files, but the subreddit does not allow galleries, you will see this message. If you click Change and Remove Gallery, you can post this on the subreddit, but the gallery will not be available anymore. If you click on Keep Gallery, you should choose another subreddit to post this. Host an AMA. AMA stands for Ask Me Anything. This allows you to talk about your products without being promotional, and this will help you increase your credibility that you're not always creating self-promotional posts. Next, offer help. Visit the subreddit community where you want to share your content. Then look for posts or comments where you can offer help. Make sure you share advice with other Reddit users' inquiries. It can help your name be credible, and you can gain influence in the community. You can make it a goal to provide relevant information to at least 10 posts or comments. Next, use keyword search tools. You can use tools such as Keywordit and search it on Google to discover the link to their website. We can type in the keyword coffee. It will show a list of subreddit communities that match that keyword. Then click on the Get Keywords button to look for the keyword phrases that you can use in your content. Now here's the list of results that match your keyword. Take note of these results and copy the keyword phrases that you can apply to your post. Now let's start posting the content. In this section, you can see the text field where you can create a post. And before you share a post, you must choose a subreddit community where you want this post to be shared. As an alternative, you can also choose a subreddit community and directly create a post on their community. Now let's use the Post tab. First, type in the title. You can ask a question to generate engagement with the members. You can include the keyword phrases that you have extracted from the Keywordit tool. This allows your content to be visible in Reddit searches. Then add a text here that describes your question. You can use these formatting styles to highlight points or add bullets. If the subreddit has its own user flair, you can choose from this list to make it easier to categorize your post. Since this is a question, we can choose the question flair. Once you're done, click Post. You can also click on this media icon to directly upload photos or videos to your post. Just add your media's title here, and it will allow you to type in up to 300 characters as your title. For every media file that you'll upload, you can add a caption and a link. Notice this button, which means that if you enable this button, you are informing Reddit that this media is not safe for work. Next, this icon allows you to paste a link directly to your post. Do not post promotions frequently. Take note that most subreddits will ban self-promotion posts. If you have a history of self-promoting on other subreddit communities, the moderator might learn about it and ban you from their community. If you need to create landing pages, funnels, lead pages in just a few clicks, we have a marketing app that can help you build a successful online business. You can create beautiful web pages, click and modify, and you don't need to learn how to do coding. You can create funnels with upsells, downsells, or order bumps. You can grab leads and send emails using Cloud Funnels. It also supports all major payment gateways, and you can offer memberships to your customers. With Cloud Funnels, you can create any type of business website, landing page, and funnel. Build your profits using memberships. Profit forever with email marketing. So try Cloud Funnels now. Go to the URL yournextfunnel.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching. and I'll see you on the next video.